Unraveling Idioms, Run to Seed, in the English language. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English language learning fun and easy. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of idioms, specifically the phrase, run to seed. Don't worry if this sounds strange at first. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it means and how to use it in everyday conversation. The phrase, run to seed, might conjure images of plants and gardens, and you're not far off the mark. Originally, this idiom comes from the world of gardening. When a plant runs to seed, it stops producing flowers or fruits and begins to produce seeds. However, in everyday language, this phrase has a different twist. When we say someone or something has run to seed, we mean that they have stopped taking care of themselves or have deteriorated after a period of neglect. It's often used to describe a person's appearance or the state of an object. To grasp this idiom better, let's look at some examples. 1. Personal appearance. After retiring, Mr. Brown seemed to run to seed. He doesn't care much about his appearance anymore. 2. Places or things. The once beautiful mansion has run to seed, with peeling paint and overgrown gardens. In these examples, run to seed highlights neglect or a lack of care, leading to a decline in quality or appearance. Understanding when to use run to seed is crucial. 1. In formal contexts, this idiom is best suited for casual conversations. It's not formal, so it might be out of place in professional or academic writing. 2. Describing neglect or decline. Use this phrase when you want to emphasize that something has deteriorated due to lack of care or attention. And that's a wrap on the idiom, run to seed. Remember, idioms like this add color and depth to our language, making conversations more vibrant and expressive. We hope this video has been enlightening and you feel more confident using run to seed in your daily English conversations. Keep practicing, and don't forget to subscribe for more fun English lessons. See you next time.